Hey guys, I hope you're doing well and today is fine. Today, my friend Finton and me would like to sing for you Bye Bye Love by the Everly Brothers, and of course, we hope you like our version of this great song. Are you ready, my friend?
Yes, Janine, I am.
Okay, then let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye my love, goodbye. There goes my baby with someone new. She sure looks happy, I sure am too. She was my baby till he stepped in. Goodbye to romance that might have been. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye my love, goodbye. I'm through with the romance, I'm through with the love, I'm through with the counting the stars above. And here's the reason that I'm so free, my loving baby is through with me. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness, hello loneliness, I think I'm gonna cry. Bye bye love, bye bye sweet caress, hello emptiness, I feel like I could die. Bye my love, goodbye. Bye my love, goodbye. Meow. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you like our version of this great song, and now have a beautiful day and take good care of you, and we see and hear soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much, my friend.